Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this smart remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case to gain access to the battery. We do so by getting a flat-headed screwdriver, like this one, and just at the top of the fob, just here, there is a small indentation where you can get the blade of the screwdriver in, give it a twist, and it releases the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. Just get your screwdriver again, get underneath the battery, and just release it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2016, like this one. We just simply get our key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing, making sure on this fob that the writing on the battery is facing downwards, so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the fob. We just line it all up and we click it all back in place. And there you go. It's all done.